Hey, Thesmine and Jerry. So I will tell you, we are here in Harrisburg, and it's been a cold and interesting night in the city and in the streets. Now, we're here in Storm Tracker 8, so I can show you a little bit of what's going on. So I'm going to take you to the street camera here, and you can see that Harrisburg is like many of the areas in the Susquehanna Valley. Some of the streets are pretty clean and clear, and there are others like this one right here that are not so much. So that's why the city is coming together to do what they are calling a snow sweep removal. So they're getting on some of these streets, and essentially what they're doing is they're trying to remove some of that snow that you see in the area. So right now I want to take you, I'm showing you kind of a full circle view around here with our roof camera, but I want to take you right now to some of the footage we got a little bit earlier and show you some of these crews that are out on the street. Again, these are crews that have been out really for, I would say, the last hour or so. They've been plowing the streets and grinding up some of that snow. Now, no one spoke to us on camera, but essentially what we do know is that they are going to be out here until about 6 a.m. the next morning. We are told that, again, this route is going to be changing throughout the evening, but they were trying to give people time to be able to get some of their cars up off the street before they come out. So let's give you a little bit what that looks like in terms of the route. So they say that they're going to be on 6th and Minnick to Boaz Street, 7th and Raleigh to Maclay Street. They say 3rd and Raleigh to Wiconisco Street, and 6th and Division to Front Street. We actually right now, I'm going to try to turn this camera around here. Right now we actually have a crew that is right in front of us. So I'm going to show you this crew right here. They're removing the snow right now, again, trying to get all of that up from the area here in Harrisburg. Again, some of these streets look pretty good. They look pretty clear and clean, while others really not so much. Again, that is going to be taking place all night. They say the crews are going to be constantly working till about 6 a.m. and we'll have some of that cleanup for you right here on WGAL. Reporting live here from the Storm Tracker in Harrisburg, Michael Fuller, WGAL News 8.